IG, what's poppin'? YouTube, what's good? Retro family, Retro gang. This your boy Retro Rick from Retro Ricky Maddie's Kicks. Look, I hope everybody enjoying their Sunday. It's beautiful outside. I was at the Tanger outlet, the Nike outlet to be exact, out there in McDonough, Georgia and Locust Grove. They let your boy come out there and film. I had to make a call. They know what's up now, so no pressure. This is how we're going to start doing this. When I'm at the outlet, if y'all see something that y'all want when I'm doing my Vigi, leave a comment. I'm going to go back and get it within the next couple of days for the price we see it at. So we're going to hop right into it. You know what I say, man. Gang. Let's get it.
All right, guys. We on this hash wall. 11. That's what they got. Something caught my eye. I know they got the Kobe's. 11 and a half. Reached on 139 plus 30% off. More Kobe's. Legacies. 312s. We got the SBs. All this the hash wall. Air Force Ones. Size 13. What is it? Scottie Pippen. Oh, I think I might have got my size though. That's 11. I need these in the 12. If I can catch them Huaraches in the 12, I will be good. We'll bring them back to the shoe box. Memorize, green, commando. Get y'all down this wall here. 4 size run, 59. You good, fam? 59. 30% off. We hit the outlet ASAP, 109. Retail with 140. 4 size run, fam. Let's take that. 30% off. At 270s to 270s, 4 size run. Pennies. Got the Air Flight Posits. Air Money. No 109. 99. The other side, I'm gonna show y'all the kids one too. 109. 69. Cortez. I'm actually on the app. They cheaper here. These on the app now. Show y'all what else they got. We'll hit this other wall. Walking shoes, running shoes. That's pretty much everything on this wall. Okay. See. On this wall. Got the Y-Knots at 89, 64. Catch you with the other walls. The Jordan Suns, Son of Mars. They got them flights. The burgundy ones, I'm not even go all the way down there and pull that out. I know what's going on with that. The store finally done calmed down. This store was lit when I walked in here. So this, after the storm, excuse me, got Kobe's 59, 89. Got them bronze on deck. Still ain't on sale. They capping. And they're gonna put that sale sign up. Got a South Beach thing too in the bronze load. Pretty much 4 size run and those. I ain't gonna say a 4 size, but 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Soldiers on deck, 89. 4 size run and those for sure. Got the other bronze, 89. So we got the Locust Grove out here at McDonough, Georgia, the Tanger outlet. Everybody outlet gonna be a little bit different. I'm showing y'all how this one is. This the other hash wall here. They actually got some heat for the smaller feet, 6 and 7. I ain't gonna say no heat. Well, I will say some heat, depending on what your style is. But I see some Air Force Ones. Once again, Kobe's. I see some Huaraches. These Monarchs, the bed shoes, walking shoes. A lot of Kobe's, Pretty much the same thing. They got a lot of merch too, 30% off on their merch. So I want y'all some merch. Get you some. What's this one? These are only on Nike.com. So let's hit this wall. Got Air Max. So they put some Air Maxes out because you know it's 326 is Air Max. So you got those. These are 119. These are slick. I didn't know this was actually leather. And this is leather. I thought it was all cloth. I don't know. It'll be an impulse buy. I'm about to hold up on that one, gang. Snatched up some heat. Already early today. I'm gonna let y'all see that. The heat I snatched up earlier. Now, these things used to be 180, now they 79. So you know I say y'all can speed it up, slow it down, 4-size run and everything. Just trying to show y'all what's going on. You good, man? Other wall here. Pretty much all these are walking shoes, running shoes, y'all say. Air Max, they got a lot of Max, that 326s that day. So, alright, let me show y'all the kids' wall real quick. Actually, before I leave, show y'all the kids' wall. And the women's wall. Actually, this pair that kind of interesting. It's Air Max 1990. Y'all come and get your pair if you want some. We got that pony hair and like snake skin there, mustard bottom, but these are only in ladies. They got them for 89. We're gonna hit this wall first, here, gang. I ain't been outlet in a minute, been up at that Nike pop-up, but I still had to pop up here at the outlet, let y'all know what's going on. Let me show y'all what else we got. 79, Posits, 159, Grizzly 230, that's a slick car. Cortez, Roses, size 8, that's a slick car. Maddie like that pair, I'm sure she would. Another pair, excuse me. It's that 94, men's 6, women's 8. Slip pair of Converse. Y'all leave a comment on the Converse. When did y'all little heat up here? I see. Another pair of Cortez. There y'all go, ladies, and show y'all what's going on. Size 9. 9 again. I'm gonna show this video to Maddie. Actually, they out skating. I'm gonna send her a picture. See if she want those. All right, ladies. It's the women's all the way to a 12. Depending on what y'all like. Okay. That's that wall there. Kids. Virtual love the kids. The kids wall. All them kids walls there. Excuse me. Kids wall, kids wall, kids wall. 30% off the entire wall though. So depending on what y'all want, those guys 30% off the whole wall. Behind me. Chlorophyll, Georgia 54, 64, 49, 44, 99 for those. That's pretty much it, gang. I think I'm gonna just snatch up some merch, some socks, get this thing scanned. Out of here. Alright, gang, let's get right into it. See that ATL 30318. This is an exclusive pair. There's only 230 made. Man, look here. A Mama Near out there in Marietta Street in Atlanta, Georgia. I appreciate y'all. I actually won this pair. Didn't have to pay anything. I'm glad it says A over everything. The bottom do glow on the dark.
All this light up at the bottom. You got the Jumpman Jordan, of course. This is like a collab. You got the Air Max 720 mixed in with the Jumpman. And like I say, man, shout out to A. Munir. Once again, securing this pair. Can y'all see this game? Even on the back. You got the A here. You got My Way. Strap. My Way. You got a cross here. A over everything. Then I got the Jumpman logo. Even that's popping. That's popping. Come on, 00023. And this pair is numbered, like I told you. Let me find this number real quick. I'm sure y'all can see what I'm talking about, gang. Let's go to this number real quick. Okay, if you want to, verify everything, the numbers are actually in the inside of the tongue. Right here, I got this number pair is 193. And it got 230. Like I told you, I was only 230 pair made. So we got 193. Man, sheesh. When I'm looking at it, it's all black. When I put the light on there, this is what y'all see. So either way, man, I swear this pair lit. Hey, we appreciate y'all again. I'm going to keep this pair in the shoebox, not for sale. So this your boy Retro Rick from Retro Rick and Madison Kicks. You know what I say, man. We love y'all. Stay strong. Stay double strong, man. Sheesh. Look at that, man. A whole lot of gang. We out.